My name is Hlongwani Sipogazi Chantal. My student number is U25619404. My puppet is Lulu. Her role is to help people to understand each other in language and communication.
Hello, my name is Kamkhelo Mabusela with a student number of U21438448, and I'm with George the puppet. His aim was to help others understand English.
Hello, I am Sama Magua and my student number is U25664982. My role was to speak another language, and I was Zara.
Hello everyone, my name is Tefuchofa Shankopan Simon. Student number U25466764. The name of this puppet is Rafi, and he uses pictures to communicate. I thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Masidu Goodwin and my student number is U25670256, and my puppet's name is Mila. Yeah, it's Mila, and her role was to speak faster. Thank you.
Welcome to our puppet show. Let's have some fun time with friends.
Hello friends, come sing with us. Let's see what our puppets see. They can talk, laugh and play. Use their words in every way.
Let's talk today. What will our puppet say? Let's talk today. What will our puppet say?
Open mouth and voices too. Talking helps me, talking helps you. Listen close and take your turn. That's the way we see and learn and talk.
Let's talk today. What will our puppet say? Let's talk today. What will our puppet say?
A sunny morning in the puppet classroom. The 5 puppets are ready to share their stories. But they soon realize that talking together isn't always easy.
Good morning, everyone. Let's talk about our weekend.
I went to the park, play soccer in the other screen.
Oh, Mila, slow down. I can't understand.
Hola, you fui padrita bien.
Huh? What does that mean?
Zara said, "Hello, I went to the park too." Everyone talks in different ways. That's okay. Let's try to listen carefully and help one another.
Okay, I will try to be slower.
Oh, you mean you played with the ball?
Gracious Lulu, I'm learning the new English 2 ways too.
See, we are all learning to communicate.
So, good communication means
Talking clearly.
And listening.
Exactly. We can all share ideas if we listen, watch, and help each other understand. And from that day on, the puppets remembered that talking is not just about speaking. It's also about listening, watching, and caring. Let's talk today. What will our puppet say?
No, let's repeat. Our audience haven't heard us clearly.
Let's talk today. What will our puppet say? Yay!